My name is Kampa. I'm an IT solutions architect here at Audi. We use Cisco's SDA to secure our factory of the future. And this is how I Cisco. For me, one of the biggest wins with SDA is automation. We don't have to touch every single device anymore or configure things one by one. Policies just roll out across the network and it works. I also really value micro-segmentation. It lets us keep our most vulnerable assets protected, but still connected in the same way we need. Knowing that security is baked in gives me peace of mind. And overall, I like that SDA brings our IT and OT environments together with one consistent policy. That's a huge deal in a factory setting. And that is how I Cisco.